Okay, this is a Nakamichi CR4. It was brought to me the owner said the controls doesn't work, so it's probably the cam motor, but we'll have to investigate. It's a common problem on these Sankyo mechanisms, but not always the cam motor. Sometimes even the real motor or something else could be the false. So I'm taking it apart, investigating, and really it has a strange, how do I say, symptoms. It plays fine for maybe a minute or two, then all the controls stop and start flashing, and will even eat the tape. Simply the controls don't work at all. So if it's the cam motor, I have replacements, but maybe I can repair the motors, the original motor, but that sometimes works only for a small period of time. The best thing is to replace it. They're cheap, but we'll have to see with the seller, with the owner of this deck. One fun fact: the CR model in the series of Nakamichi, only the CR4 has, as you can see, the copper plating inside the chassis. Even the CR5 and 7 don't have this protection. You can see the chassis is all copper plated. So, fun fact, looks like the designers in Nakamichi, when they were designing this deck, made it like their pet project, to be a little bit special than the other models. Okay, I will try to investigate and repair this deck. Thank you.